Philippine National Police, the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, the Bureau of Fire Protection, the Bureau of Corrections, and the Philippine Coast Guard. Yung mga kapatid naman natin po na nasa uniform service. Ba't naman po nagawa to? This is the nation as the nation's protectors. The government grants greater opportunities for them to transition into civilian government roles. You see, ang isang dahilan siguro dyan is alam po natin na maaga talaga silang magre-retiro, age of 57. But considering na ang dami silang na-accumulate, experience, training, na pwede nilang magawa or magamit sa civilian sector, the civilian sector could easily integrate them. E paano magagawa yan?